I'm going to show you how to replace a cartridge valve. So first thing you do is you turn off the water underneath the sink. What you're going to need is a knife, some channel lock pliers, Phillips screwdriver, and needle nose pliers. So we're going to, using the knife, we're going to remove the cold and hot panels. And I always put a towel down here so I don't drop anything down the sink. I've loosened this one already. I'm going to take it off, and then we just pull this up. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the hot side. Remove this screw. On this one, I'm going to remove the cartridge. And I'm going to try to get the water out of here. Actually, the problem was that this, they call it a valve seat, is worn out. There's a little spring in here, and the smaller, so I'm going to put this spring back in here. Then I'm going to put this back in. Okay. So the important thing here is when putting this back in, there are these two holes and kind of a blank part. The blank part has to be over the rubber seat. So the rubber seat is over here on this side, so it goes like this. And on this one, the rubber seat is over here, so it goes like this. So we screw these back on by hand as far as they'll go, then tighten them. Then the handles go back on. You screw those in. And then the caps go on that show the temperature. Cold on the right, hot on the left, unless you're my brother-in-law. And now we turn the water back on. Perfect.